everybody. I was just letting you guys know I did get the GoPro and I'm trying it out for the first time right now, but as soon as we get something going on here, I'll definitely let you all know. They're saying it's going to be snowing this weekend here, so look forward to seeing some more recoveries. I'm thinking we'll probably get soon. So I got a chest mount, a head mount, and a few magnet mounts for different spots on the truck. That way, when I do get another recovery or something interesting, we're gonna have a lot better angles. That way you guys can see the whole job, not just before and after. I want to be able to really show everybody exactly what I'm doing and how I get the job done. Look forward to seeing that. This is just kind of this is just going to be kind of a channel update, I guess you could say, and just to let you guys know what's going on. I'm not giving up on the videos or anything, but there'll be some more coming to you. Till then, hope you guys are all having a great day, and I'll be coming with some more entertainment, some more content for you guys to watch. Alright, see you later. Have a good day.